Hi, my name's Marissa Farnell, and this is my teacher interview video for EDM310 at the University of South Alabama. And this is Miss Laniese Howard. How about you tell us where you teach and what you teach?
Okay. Again, my name is Laniese Howard. I've been teaching for 21 years. I spent a lot of my career in elementary school or 6th, 7th, and 8th grade middle school. I currently teach gifted education to 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders at 2 schools in Mobile County. And I'm also the assistant director for engaging youth through engineering camps and clubs for Mobile County Public Schools.
Okay, so in your gifted classrooms, I'm sure you use a lot of project-based learning. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do along those lines?
Okay, great. Project-based learning is the idea of taking subject matter that the students would study anyway or would study in the course of a semester and putting it together in a way that there is a culminating project. It's really like planning backwards because you think about the end product first and then you want to think about how you're going to get the kids there. So in gifted education, it really gives us a great chance to have all of the students explore the different areas of giftedness, and they get to make a lot of choices, which again helps them explore different areas of research. It also challenges them quite a bit. So we can incorporate our geography, our math, our science, literature, even foreign languages into that project, and that project can last for an entire quarter or semester with, again, that culminating project that they would present to the class.
Students seem to get more out of it when they're doing it in groups.
I think my students like working in groups simply because gifted students find that their gifts are not often the same. Some of them are creatively gifted, some are academically gifted, some are gifted writers. Oftentimes when you put them on a project-based learning project as a team, they get to use those gifts in different ways, sometimes in ways that they didn't think that they even knew that they could use them. But it also helps them, learn to use a gift that maybe they didn't know that they had.
You and I were talking a little bit, and you said that this project-based learning kind of helps you with your STEM programs. So can you explain a little bit about the STEM program that you do?
Sure, yeah. The STEM program, and again, being an EYE coordinator, which is engaging youth through engineering, I've had a lot of exposure to the STEM curriculum. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And right now, one of the other buzzwords is STEAM curriculum, which adds an art component to that, which the art teachers are now loving because it gives them a chance to get involved in that too. So in the STEM curriculum, you're really taking those same subjects, science, technology, engineering, and math, and you're integrating them all together into some project. For example, right now we're doing a water-based engineering camp. And in that camp, the students are using their science, technology, engineering, and math to discover ways to filter water that's been either dirtied or polluted, contaminated in some way. And so that STEM curriculum is helping them get to the point where they make a very effective and efficient water filter.
Okay.
And in my classroom, it's the same way. Most times there is a project somehow, and now you can find so many things on the internet to supplement your STEM curriculum. And again, those things are wonderful for not only gifted students but all students because they're very hands-on, they're very interesting, and they really give them a chance to branch out and search different things they may not have known about.
Well, is there anything else you'd want to talk about project-based learning or these programs that you're involved with?
Well, as far as project-based learning, all of the gifted education teachers use project-based learning, and many of the schools have gone to some type of project-based learning, but at different levels of that. I know for the school that I work for, which is Kate Shepherd, we are involved in some project-based learning, but this year we are going to become a STEM pilot school for Mobile County Public Schools.
Awesome.
So we will have a little bit of project-based learning going on, and we will be a STEM pilot school. So we've got a lot of planning going on during the summer, researching a lot of materials and lessons, and we've got the science supervisors helping us from central office and science teachers from middle school. It really has become this pet project that the system really wanted us to take on, and we are so happy to take it on because we've seen the results of STEM curriculum and project-based learning, that they are both very effective with students.
Right. That's awesome. Real quick, how do you include technology in your project-based learning in all these subjects, all these areas?
Great question. In project-based learning, the students always have research components. We are in the lab. They also at our school have bring your own device where the students can actually bring an iPad or
Are these provided to them by the schools, or do they have to do they just bring them in if they have them?
They bring them in if they have them, and then we have some at the school.
Okay.
So if they're working and it's their turn to do research and we can't get into the lab, we'll just take the devices and pass them around. So
Okay.
everybody gets that equal opportunity.
Right.
We also have smart boards
Mhm.
that we use on a regular basis. We have different types of computing programs, different types of research programs. Even in the summer camps, we have different types of technology that we use. And, you know, for students to learn that technology doesn't just mean it's a computer or it's a laptop or it's an iPad. There are many types of technology
Right.
that you can incorporate into that. But yes, technology is the wave of the future. Our students
Absolutely.
know so much more about technology than we do. You know,
Mhm.
the electric typewriter was a big thing when I was in high school, and technology has gone so far.
Yes.
And so it's not that, you know, we need to keep up with the times. We need to keep up with them and
Mhm.
teach them how to function in their own world. So we've got to keep up with that technology. It's very important.
Yes, it is. Okay, well, this has been Miss Laniese Howard talking about project-based learning and her STEM program and her EYE camp and enlightening us on so many different things. So thank you for watching.